Hey guys, like always, question for you. How many of you guys actually meditate or do some type of self-reflection on a daily basis? Well, in today's video, what I'm going to talk about is how meditation can actually lead to success. So stay tuned.
Planet Green Zen, inspiring the everyday person to break free from the mundane and take action.
But if you guys have never been to this channel, what I love to do is educate the people of Zen out there mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially, because I truly believe that if we all had a holistic yin-yang balance of each one of those areas, we will be able to eliminate hunger, famine, slavery, war, disease, have abundance, health, wealth, and longevity all together as one human unit on this entire planet. So if you guys believe in similar messages, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification so you are notified when new videos are released. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on these different videos. And then also, last but not least, share this out with people in your community and tribe who needs to hear these videos. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, so just to give you a brief description of meditation, it is actually focusing your mind on one specific object or thought, or nothing at all. And then also you're allowing the universe to use you as a radio receiver to actually instill infinite intelligence onto you, just so you can know what to do with your life or situation. And I know that sounds a little bit weird, but again, when you have an open mind to things that you're not really taught or that can't really be explained, you tend to live a more balanced and healthier life. And also with that infinite intelligence, it helps guide you to the abundance that's actually awaiting for you. So when you let it tune in, when you tune into it, I should say, then you actually follow that guidance and you'll be able to be led to your abundance. And it's literally about 3 feet from gold. If you guys ever heard that story before, you're literally 3 feet from gold. So just listen to the infinite intelligence from the universe for meditation that's being beamed onto you. And it's almost like hitting the reset button on a retro gaming system, because it actually helps clear the mind by doing so. And by saying retro gaming system, I think I'm starting to date myself. You can clear all of the negative energy and junk and gunk it's been building up in you over the years and years that you may not even know is there, but when you meditate, it actually helps release that. You open up the floodgates of positive energy and release the negative gates of destruction and replace the negative with positive. Again, is the glass half empty or half full? And it also gives you a better focus on life. So again, just so you know what it is that you need to do and where you need to go, and it's very, very clear on doing so. And again, guys, just me personally, I would recommend for you guys to wake up maybe 4, 5, 6 a.m. just so you can actually start to meditate at the beginning of your day, so you can actually be recharged, energized, have clear thoughts, focus, and be able to just have a great day by starting to meditate in the mornings. And it also helps with clarity and focus for that morning as well, because again, maybe you're frustrated, maybe you were trying to figure out a problem the night before and you couldn't figure it out. When you do this, refresh, recharge, reset, then when you come back to that problem or situation, it may be a lot clearer and you're like, wow, this was here the whole time, I just couldn't really see it, because you were able to tune into that and actually narrow down and focus and be able to absorb what you needed so you can actually do what you needed to do. And also guys, when you meditate, it helps you with having more of a calmer demeanor to yourself and actually being more of a peaceful person, because when you let all the negative energy flow through you and all the gunk get out of you, you're just more at peace and you don't get as angry or upset or as frustrated as easily. If you are a high-tempered person, you turn that flame down, that burner down to low, and it will come down by doing so. So I highly recommend meditating if you're a high-tempered person. If you get angry, upset easily, anxiety, all that gunk, you need to meditate so you can actually release and wash it out of your system. And also guys, again, you have a great internal peace about yourself, when you're calm, no anxiety, none of that, then you actually have a better health, because your chemicals are balanced instead of being imbalanced. And instead of producing negative gunk that's actually making you sick, when you wash it out, you actually have better health and better performance, whether it's sports or just longevity, or if you're doing strength training, whatever it is, you actually will do better because you are clearing your mind and it's helping your balance your yin and yang. Disclaimer, I am no doctor, nor am I giving medical advice. I'm just giving some suggestions that I do that maybe you want to try yourself, but always seek out your medical facilities or physician or doctor before you do anything. And if you just start to follow these very simple steps in this video, I truly believe that you would actually start to live more in abundance and freedom in your life, have more clarity on what it is that you need to do so you can actually get to where you need to be, and then you go get the other person, lift them up, and they can also get to where they need to be. Alrighty guys, well that's actually all that I have for you. So again, if you like this material that I post, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out the algorithms and YouTube know that this is actually worth sharing out to other people. Hit the bell notification so you are notified when new videos are released. Comment below, let me know your thoughts or suggestions on new topics you want me to cover. And again, share these out with people in your community who actually needs to hear these messages. Alrighty guys, last but not least, you know what time it is, which is time for the quote of the day. And this quote comes from the legend himself, Marvin Gaye. And Marvin says, if you cannot find inner peace within yourself, you would never be able to find it anywhere else. So that's very powerful. And I would love to hear what you guys think about that comment, or that quote, I should say. Alrighty, well again, that's all that I have for you guys. Greg with Planet Green Zen signing off. You guys have a great day.